this is the Terragraph from EdgeCore powered by IgniteNet. It was designed by Facebook and has multiple applications in smart cities, campus networks, enterprise networks. The part here is the MLTG 360. 360 means you can see out every angle, and we're going to unbox it.
So here we have our accessories: weatherproof port covering, pole mount bracket, steel band clamp, a screw kit and a DC terminal plug. So Terragraph comes with 4 radios, 4 antennas per radio. This is Radio A, Radio C, Radio B and Radio D. And finally on the underside, from top to bottom, we have our DC power connection at the top, PoE in, 4 by PoE out, and then finally a 10 gig uplink port.